The another question based on the Henry's law, that is, if N2 gas is bubbled through the water at 298 Kelvin, how many millimoles of nitrogen gas would dissolve in 1 liter of water? Assume that N2 exerts a partial pressure of 0.98 bar. Given that Henry's law constant for N2 at 293 Kelvin is 76.48 kilovar. Kvar, here the kilovar. How can we solve this? First of all, we write the given values that is given in the question. First thing, that is partial pressure is given in the question, denoted at P, that is 0.98 bar. Henry's law constant, that is 76.48 kilovar. We will convert this kilovar into bar by multiplying by 1000, and this becomes equal to the 76,480 bar. So the units becomes equal. And the next thing, that is the volume of water, 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Now we can find the mass of water, as we already know that the density of water is always 1 gram per ml. 1 gram per ml. Hence the mass of water is equal to the density into volume, and the volume is already known, that is 1000 ml, and density is 1. Hence the mass of water becomes 1000 grams. Now the molar mass of water, as we already know that the 18 grams, you can calculate again here. Yeah. Number of moles of water. Now the number of moles of water, that is represented as NB, mass of water, then divided by the molar mass of water. Mass of water is 1000 grams, and the molar mass of water, that is the 18 grams. So on dividing 1000 by 18, we get the 55.5 moles of water. This is the number of moles of water. Now we find the let the number of moles of nitrogen. Let the number of moles of nitrogen Na, that is in moles, not in millimoles. Na, this is the question to we find out. We know that Henry's law, according to Henry law, P equals to, that is a partial pressure equal to Kh into chi, that is the mole fraction, and chi mole fraction is equal to the P, and this will goes into the division as a denominator. So the chi becomes equals to P by Kh. We already know the values of P. The value of P is 0.98, that is given in the question already here, 0.98, and the value of Kh in bar, that is a 76,480. When we divide and solve this, we get the chi a as chi for N2, the mole fraction of N2 is 1.28 into 10 to the power minus 5 by solving this, by dividing and solving this. And mole fraction is written as Na upon Na plus Nb. Na is the number of moles of N2 and Nb is the number of moles of water. Now putting the values of N, we don't know the value of Na, it is um, it can be find out. This is the question, and we know the value of number of moles of water, that is here 55.5. By putting the values we get this equation. As we know that in this case Na is in present in the denominator and it is neglected because it is very lesser than the 55.5 moles. It is very lesser, hence it is neglected from the denominator only, not from the numerator. It is eliminated or neglected from the denominator. Left with Na divided by 55.5 into 1.28 into 10 to the power 5 minus 5. Now this will by shifting from left hand side to right hand side, and this comes into the multiplication. So by multiplying this and this, and after this we get the number of moles of nitrogen, that is 7.10 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles. This is in the moles, but the question asked find in millimoles how many millimoles of nitrogen. So we can convert this value into the millimoles by multiplying the 1000. As we know that is 1 mole equals to 1000 millimoles. Hence this number multiplied by 1000. By multiplying we get the ultimate answer 0.71 millimoles. This is the answer. So very simple and very easy. Thank you.